Today we're at the heart center. Here's our little baby. Charlotte is doing an EKG today with a doctor here because she had a slight heart murmur. According to the pediatrician, it's no big deal is what she said. It's nothing more than a consultation, just so that we know what's going on, because the heart valves are supposed to close after the baby's born after a certain time. But because she is a premature baby, 6 weeks, she was born 6 weeks early, therefore they have to, as a precautionary measure, do an EKG, and hopefully everything will be okay.
If she touches a little bit, it's not gonna be a big deal, but it's not delicious. Oh, Charlotte, you're happy with everybody except the cardiologist, huh?
She's good, see?
Okay, so our baby is happy. This is after the fact.
What you looking at?
She's doing very well. Cardiologist arrived and he ran some tests. Within just a few minutes, I think 3-4 minutes, he concluded that Charlotte does have a heart murmur, and a heart murmur is an innocent one, which means some people have blue eyes, some people have green eyes, some people have heart murmur, some do not. So it is very normal. What he said was that in 2 months, murmur may disappear, and then 2 months later, it may appear. So Charlotte does not need a cardiologist. However, when she is 75 years old, she may need one. These are the doctor's words, and we are very happy about that. This is fantastic news that our little baby girl can do all the sports that she wants to do, and she's happy and healthy and safe.